Hello! Thank you for showing interest in our channel, Keep On Growing with Trevor and Nick. As the year goes by, we'll keep you in touch with us so that you can see everything that we're doing in our greenhouse. You'll then have all the information to see the tasks we undertake, and you'll be able to do it yourself. We're based in the Midlands, which is in the UK, so what we do is based on our climate. Please remember to make adjustments according to where you live, because in some cases it might be a bit colder than it is here. A lot of people, just like a lot of people should I say, when they first got a greenhouse, we fell into the same trap. It was just used for growing tomatoes in the summer and overwintering the dahlias, and that was it. The rest of the year it was empty and just sat there. All the plants that we put in our garden were purchased from supermarkets, garden centres, all in trays. We only grew from seed when we got some free seeds with a gardening magazine. That was it. There's a lot of people do the same thing. Unfortunately, in 2020, we found ourselves in a little bit of a problem. All the supermarkets and garden centres closed due to the COVID lockdown. At that point, we had to have a rethink about our garden and decided we were going to grow it from seed. Since then, we've never looked back. Our garden habits have changed forever, really. We now grow everything from seed and bulb, tubers, but we're doing it all year round, which means that this little 8x6 greenhouse is used a heck of a lot. We make our own seed mix, we make our own potting mix, we have two great big compost bins making our own compost. And the reason for this channel really was that each summer we put photos on social media, just like a lot of other people, with our friends and family, and it just evolved because suddenly we were getting questions from people. How do you do this? How do you do that? Why did you do this? Why did you do that? That looks good. All of that. And we just kept answering questions. So we decided that we were going to put it on video and answer all the questions that people have. Good idea? Bad idea? Whatever you think. It's here for you. Our greenhouse really has become a germination centre. It's just, we sow the seeds in here, they then grow into little plants, and they then go outside into the mini greenhouse that we have two of, and then from there they go over to the cold frame ready to go into the garden. So on that note, what can I say? Well, welcome to our greenhouse. This is the greenhouse that we use. We have used it for many years and it does us for what we want. It's south facing, it's bright, it's warm. It backs onto the chicken run, and the chicken run houses two great big compost bins which the chickens like, and they dig around in it and they leave their deposits. But it means that we have a nutritional compost bin, really fertile with what the chickens give us. There is a slight problem with the chickens. It's you'll be working here and suddenly through the window, because they can get up onto the compost bins, they have a peep into here and they watch what we're doing. It's fun. Just watch them and see how they get on, really. They're pottering around out there somewhere at the moment, but hey ho. We've set the greenhouse up with shelving. As you can see, it's all the way around the whole of the greenhouse. That's given us a windowsill, really. So if you don't have a greenhouse and you do actually would like to grow from seed, and you've only got a windowsill, we use unheated propagators on the windowsill. They come with the little things inside, cells inside, and they sit up on the shelving, happily growing. We also have on some of our shelves heated propagators. Those basically start the seeds off. So what we start off with a little seed, and the little seedlings then grow into plants, but we will go more into that at a later stage. There will be videos out there for you to show how to use your propagator, because a lot of people use a propagator and their seeds die and they don't understand why. We're going to show you what you can do. We've also got heat mats, and underneath here is some lighting as well, grow lamps. But all that will come up at a later stage. We'll be showing you how to use all these things, and you'll then have a better insight as to what is going on. I would say as well, if you don't have these things, don't worry. You can still grow your own plants. When we first started out, we didn't start out with them. We just had a greenhouse, a table, and some plastic bags full of compost that we bought from the supermarket. Since then, we've moved on. We're now going to show you how we've moved on and how everything works. There will be videos coming up on a long line of topics, etc., because there is a lot more to this than a lot of people realise, but it is not difficult. If you like the idea of having us let you know these things, then there is a like button. Click on the like button, and that will help us, because then we'll know that you like what we're doing and we'll carry on doing it. There's also a comment button that, please use it. All you have to do is write your questions and your comments on there, so that we then, if it's a subject that we haven't looked into, we do ourselves but we haven't got around to making a video for it, if you've put a comment in there of how do I do this, we can then make a video and show everyone how that is done, which makes your life in the garden a lot easier, as well as everyone else's. Also gives us something to talk about. Now, these videos come up on a regular basis, so if you click on subscribe, that will be helpful not only to you but to us, because then as we update with more videos, we will then let you know that a new one has arrived and where it is. Simple really, but it's up to you. So remember, please like, comment, subscribe. It's something that helps you and it helps us. Thank you very much, and in the meantime, keep on growing.